Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to take a look at the new way to update your component state in Svelte 5. So previously you could do it like this. You would just have a let variable and just declare it like this, and you can change it anywhere in the component and then it will update the UI for you. So you can see it still works, boop, 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 boop. But the issue with this is that it's not really the recommended approach anymore. And you can see this by turning on compiler options, runes, true, and that will force you to use the new syntax, so that'll no longer work. I guess, yeah, it doesn't have this on by default because you might have issues with libraries, so you don't need to turn this on. But you do need to start using the new syntax. So the way to do it is you wrap the value here in a state rune. So you don't need to import it or anything, it's just part of Svelte. And you might not like that, it looks a bit maybe boilerplatey, but the reason for doing this is just to make it more explicit what's going on. And in addition to that, it lets us take this state rune and put it into other .ts files so that you can have the reactivity anywhere. So we are going to look into that next, but for now, just know that you need to wrap your state, your let state things in this here. Boop. Oh, there we go.